Hey guys, how's it going? Today I am going to tell you how I make money with testimonial videos without selling my soul. But before I get into that, here's the thing. You can follow these tips and strategies yourself because I bet you are leaving money on the table right now. And this is how I turn otherwise dead deals into paying loyal customers simply by understanding what it is they actually want. And there's a method to figuring this out. And if you have a creative business or you're a creative freelancer, then this is going to help you because I bet you're leaving money on the table right now. This is how you can instantly make more money. So I'm going to use testimonial videos, as you may have guessed, as an example for this. As a video producer and a spokesperson, I get asked to do testimonial videos basically every day. So I don't make fake testimonial videos as a rule, even though I get asked to do it all the time, because I refuse to sell my reputation for money. I can get money, can't get my reputation back. But how do you make money from these people then that want testimonial videos? Okay, well this is what we do. Let's dig into this a little bit, right? And follow me on this logic here. If someone comes to you asking for a testimonial video, what is it they actually want? Well, they want social proof, right? They want to convince people that are coming onto their webpage, into their sales funnel, that what they're selling is genuinely good. So what they're trying to do is increase the conversions of their sales funnel. If they want a fake testimonial video, it means they have traffic, they have eyes on their thing, and they're trying to convert more of it, right? Does that make sense? Ultimately, what they're trying to do is the same as everyone else. They're trying to make more money. So think of it like this. If someone comes to you and says, hey, I'd like to buy a horse, you might want to say, look, what do you want a horse for? And they're like, well, I heard they're a good way to travel. You're like, okay, mate, well, horse might not be the best option. You might want to consider a bicycle. It's a lot cheaper, it will get you there just as fast, and it's a lot more reliable, and you don't have to feed it. Have you considered a bicycle? Maybe that's a better fit. Or if you really want to go fast, maybe you want a car. It's more expensive, but it will get you there way faster. We apply that same logic. When someone comes to you and asks for a product, dig in and find out what they want. I want a spokesperson video. Do you? What are you actually trying to solve? They want to solve social proof and increase conversions. Can we help them do that? Yes, that we can help them do. So you can say something like, look, hey, Mr. Prospect, I understand that you're trying to get more conversions and a fake testimonial you feel will be good social proof to help you get there. But in my experience, that's not gonna help. What's actually gonna happen is even the best fake testimonial video, customers will be able to smell that it's not authentic. And that's going to erode trust even further. And so you're actually gonna have more trust problems than you had to begin with. However, we can help you still. With a well-scripted VSL or explainer video, we can confront any problems your customers might have, handle any objections they may have, and we have a bunch of other really powerful tools in our arsenal to help bolster your case. If you don't have case studies and testimonials yet, we can help you build social proof and build trust and respect with your potential prospects by doing things like referencing studies, for example. So the social proof problem, if you don't have social proof or your client doesn't have social proof, how do you get over that? Well, you can cite relevant sources and studies. So I'll give you an example. If I'm trying to sell you a VSL, but I don't have any social proof because it's a new business, instead of saying I have experienced success with customer A, B, and C, or here's my case study, here's my testimonials, I can say, hey, look, there was a study done by this third party that shows that by implementing a spokesperson video on your landing page will increase your conversion rates by up to 60%. That builds trust in the desired outcome in the same way that social proof does. It is getting your client's current mental state closer to their desired outcome, and you're building trust in the likelihood of them achieving that outcome. So if you have clients coming to you asking for something that you don't offer, all you do is dig into it, find out what it is they actually want, what's the problem they try to solve, and then figure out how your product or services can solve that problem, and then you pitch that. And this is a really good way and a really powerful way to A, build long-term clients, but also get clients from places that you don't normally manage to get them. Anyway, I hope that helped. Let me know your ideas in the comments below, like, sub, all that malarkey, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Take care.